Have you ever looked at someone speaking English confidently and thought, I wish that could be me? Maybe you have watched interviews, presentations, podcasts, or conversations and wondered how some people speak so naturally. The words seem to flow effortlessly. The confidence seems real. The communication seems smooth. And then you compare yourself to them. You remember the moments when you forgot simple words, the times when you translated sentences in your head, the conversations where nervousness took control, the opportunities you wanted to take, but avoided because your English did not feel strong enough. If you have ever felt that way, I want you to listen carefully. This message is for you. Because today we are going to talk about something more important than grammar, more important than vocabulary, more important than pronunciation. We are going to talk about persistence. We're going to talk about resilience. We're going to talk about the mindset that transforms ordinary learners into confident English speakers. And most importantly, we are going to talk about why you should never give up. The title of today's lesson is simple: Never Give Up, The Journey to English Fluency. And by the end of our time together, I hope you will look at your English journey differently. I hope you will stop seeing obstacles as proof that you cannot succeed, and start seeing them as proof that you're growing. Because every fluent speaker has a story. Every confident communicator has a past. Every successful learner once struggled. Nobody starts fluent. Nobody starts confident. Nobody starts fearless. They become those things through practice, through consistency, through patience, through determination, and through the decision to keep going when progress feels slow. Let me tell you about a student named Marcus. Marcus worked in customer service for an international company. Every day, he received emails in English. Every day, he read documents in English. Every day, he listened to meetings in English. But whenever he had to speak, he became nervous. His voice became quiet. His mind became crowded with doubt. He constantly worried about making mistakes. One day, he told me something interesting. He said, I feel like English lives inside my head, but it refuses to come out. Maybe you understand that feeling. Maybe you know more English than you think. Maybe your biggest challenge is not knowledge. Maybe your biggest challenge is confidence. And confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. Many learners believe they need confidence before they start speaking. But the truth is exactly the opposite. Speaking creates confidence. Practice creates confidence. Experience creates confidence. The people you admire today did not begin with confidence. They built it one conversation at a time, one mistake at a time, one uncomfortable moment at a time. That is how growth happens. Not through perfection, through repetition. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. The first attempt feels difficult. The second attempt feels uncomfortable. The third attempt still feels challenging. But eventually something changes. Your balance improves. Your fear decreases. Your confidence grows. The bicycle did not change. You changed. English works the same way. The language is not becoming easier. You are becoming stronger. And that distinction matters. Because when learners believe English is impossible, they often quit too soon. They quit during the stage where progress is invisible.
Imagine planting a seed.
For days you see nothing.
No branches.
No leaves. Nothing appears to be happening. But beneath the surface, growth is taking place. Roots are developing. Strength is forming. Foundations are being built. Language learning is very similar. Many improvements happen before you can see them. Your listening improves before your speaking improves. Your understanding improves before your confidence improves. Your confidence improves before your fluency improves. The process is often invisible before it becomes obvious. And that is why patience matters. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is expecting immediate results. Modern life has trained us to expect everything quickly. Fast internet, fast delivery,
Instant message.
instant entertainment. But language learning does not follow that pattern. Language learning follows a different rule. Small improvements repeated consistently create extraordinary results over time. Imagine improving just 1% every day. One useful phrase today. One speaking exercise tomorrow. one listening activity the next day, one conversation after that. Each step feels small, but together they create transformation. That is how fluency develops, not through giant breakthroughs, through thousands of small victories. And speaking of victories, I want you to celebrate them more often. Many learners only focus on what they cannot do. They ignore what they have already achieved. Maybe 6 months ago, you could not understand English videos.
Now you can.
Maybe 1 year ago, you were afraid to introduce yourself.
Now you can.
Maybe last month you struggled with certain phrases. That is progress.
Do not ignore it. Do not minimize it.
Recognize it. Appreciate it. Because confidence grows when progress is acknowledged. Now, let me share something advanced learners understand. Fluency is not about knowing every word. Fluency is about communicating effectively with the words you already know. This is one of the biggest secrets in language learning. Many people spend years chasing vocabulary. They learn hundreds of words they never use. Meanwhile, fluent speakers often rely on familiar language used effectively. For example, instead of searching for complicated vocabulary, they focus on clarity. Instead of trying to sound impressive, they focus on being understood. And that makes communication easier. Here is a practical exercise. For the next week, focus on using simple English exceptionally well. Talk about your day. Talk about your goals. Talk about your plans. Talk about your experiences. Do not worry about sounding advanced. Focus on sounding clear. Clarity creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. And fluency creates opportunities. Now, I want to talk about fear. Because fear is often the real obstacle. Not grammar. Not pronunciation. Not vocabulary.
Fear.
Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding different. Fear of being judged. Fear of embarrassment. Fear of failure. The interesting thing about fear is that it becomes smaller every time you face it. The first English conversation feels intimidating. The second feels slightly easier. The 10th feels manageable. The 100th feels normal. Courage grows through exposure, not avoidance. Every time you speak despite feeling nervous, you become stronger. Every time you participate despite uncertainty, you become more confident. Every time you keep going despite mistakes, you become more resilient. And resilience is one of the most valuable qualities in language learning, because there will be difficult days. Days when progress feels slow. Days when motivation disappears. Those days matter, because successful learners are not the people who never feel discouraged. Successful learners are the people who continue anyway. They continue when motivation is high, and they continue when motivation is low. They understand something important. Motivation starts the journey. Discipline finishes it. That is why habits are more powerful than inspiration. A motivated learner may practice for 1 week. A disciplined learner practices for 1 year. And the results are completely different. So instead of asking yourself how motivated you feel today, ask yourself a different question. What small action can I take today? Maybe you listen to English for 15 minutes. Maybe you practice speaking for 10 minutes. Maybe you learn 3 useful expressions. Maybe you read 1 page of an English article. Small actions matter. Small actions change lives. And one day you will look back and realize something remarkable. The English that once frightened you has become familiar. The conversations that once felt impossible have become normal. The confidence you once admired in others has become part of your own personality. Not because you were naturally gifted. Not because you were lucky. Not because the journey was easy. But because you refused to quit. Because you kept going. Because you believed improvement was possible. And because you understood one powerful truth. Fluency is not built in a single day. It is built every day. If you're enjoying this lesson and you believe in consistent growth, subscribe to Daily English, like this video, and comment below with 1 sentence. I will never give up on my English journey. That simple commitment might be the beginning of something extraordinary. And remember this, your current level is not your final destination. Your mistakes are not permanent. Your challenges are not forever. Your future English is being built by the choices you make today. So keep practicing, keep learning,
Keep speaking.
keep growing, and most importantly, never give up.